Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know. Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do, you know. For the first time watch our channel here, please do subscribe. Burn it down to the ground. But stay tuned to the end. We have a lot of things to talk about. Let's go.
Most of this still, I go down back to the office. Because one piece of client are coming in, so I know I juggle one big piece of food. You see me? So when that the food they come in, they go good.
So you have to go to the office now?
Yeah. More money me I talk about, you know.
Alright, do you
money,
think?
Sure, money.
What time I come in anyways?
I don't know, but I don't know. I can't give you a time.
Alright, do you think? I'm sure say call me when I reach. Alright.
Oh God. Oh God.
Yeah.
Good.
Reach over here. Okay, no, listen, just send me up and check you.
Just stand in the chair. So I go on there now.
Me there.
I don't know what they're going to give me.
Well, look at that. Hello. You can't come link me. Yes, right now. May I wait for you? Alright. What else you know?
Yes, if I have nothing to give me.
Like what?
You mean by like what?
You don't got nothing. You don't have the money to work now.
So you man just left him and not get no money?
No, so when he come in back in, we give me a piece of food. So
yeah, me put so far, me just say me up. My man, they like to get them and tie upon you.
me go do, me just did a wait till he left. So me go do now. You look at my phone so far.
So me can't look.
Sit down now. Come on. Yeah, me good. Me just there talk to my friend.
Hey. Babes. A threesome.
Which threesome?
Make you invite me over here from there.
You're mad. Which threesome? I call you over here for you give me a piece of money. I'm broke. You don't know so you can't come over here without no money.
Threesome with O. Right.
You know, so I have two things over shop there though. I deal with somebody. So I'll go over there and sort them out and make them get you and collect a piece of money. You see it?
I got your thing. I should say kind money come give me. You can't go around. I remember to brush your teeth. What's the man about?
Man.
So?
And there's so much money you have. God almighty. No, sir. You have so much money you can't give a piece of food. When me come one walk out and buy me reaches and sit on one thing.
You two? A three.
So yeah,
no, I'm not tell the other one. I don't know if I love people business too much.
My antenna shall detect. So far, you don't know yourself. You love man too much. I ain't have no money. You have 2 man, 3 man. I'm come over here, I ain't have no money. Look at that thing that.
Don't worry about my
Saka.
Don't worry me pocket. You hear you love people, you love money, people things too much.
I become it, hey, yeah, not piss me.
Come, we can't go on now.
Me nah left you lucky, go and cook me hungry. Ready for breakfast.
But like your mother to you?
I'm ready for breakfast and I don't talk. So, if you don't want your man hear things, I'm ready for breakfast. Go on and come back.
Why?
Hey, my belly hurt me. Hurry up now.
Put the camera now.
Oh boy. Because swapping is just if you want to play, man.
No, I'm gonna play something with blood bag.
Oh, well. Alright. What's up?
You still play this?
Yeah, man, you know, I try knock 2 games same, you know? You know, I go.
Nobody knowing it.
No, man, you know, so me a win already for a long time, you know, so we a winner. So we a winner.
I'll buy my cousin in there.
Yeah, man.
You see, you can't line up a girl for me.
Man, if I girl.
You can't get a girl for your cousin in there.
I have no girl. I don't have a girl for you. Are you for the kill when a girl?
I say I cheat her cousin in there, man. Be honest, no cousin in there. Me have a 1D, but you know, too sure if I'm my one. You know?
What do you mean by you're not sure if I your own? I don't understand.
When me go there, me know say I know me one I go there. Cause me and I no live together. So it feel different when me go there.
Every time.
Every time, you know?
Alright, why? You
Well,
rough.
me really not understand, but I get what you say still, but I wish I could help him, but me not a friend. Or nobody could have you right now. So your case sticky.
Alright.
See, you know, ask her about you or nothing. If she have no man or nothing, you just deal with her so.
Well, me have left me gone, you know. Well, me not no time to ask her no question, you know. Just go, do me thing and cut.
Well, I hope you find somebody where you can call your own. One day just continue on the bills. Right now, I want to spend time with you and look how long your cousin there, so I play a game.
I know, man. It's already fair, man. It's already fair. It's already fair.
It's ready for going.
Game soon
Very,
done.
very soon. Just give me a look of time there. Give me a look of time. Here?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You're a player now, bad dog. You win the game, man. See you win. One more game I play?
Yeah, man.
Alright, boy. You know, so you can't man for that game, you know.
It's a long time no play, man. Long time no play that game, man. Rocks out, you know.
Your move.
I don't even know what to move, say.
Yeah. You can't play no more game in there, man. You don't like the style of what you do. You have me here. I want to play a game with cousin. Come on, it's time for come now. I want him.
Yo,
Time for
tomorrow finish the game. Because when woman want,
Hurry up, man.
if you have
Yeah,
study,
understand.
stop study.
I understand.
I can't tell me artist, you know. Go through. No, you're
You're not
not
for fuck up.
you're not fuck you up. You can't.
Me try and
Tomorrow.
find one woman for you, but this is my man.
Yeah, man, hurry up, man.
So, tomorrow fish game.
Yeah.
Because when woman want, the cartel say, back in ideas, when girl want, stop study if you have study. Alright.
Yeah. The hard. Where do I go?
Alright.
Look at it. Make sure you get your man for me.
Alright.
Yo, one nice pretty girl man for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, one guy man.
Come on.
Alright, cool. You see your auntie? You don't pour that was
Voila. I know, sir, you have one phone and it's more maths and everything.
I want it.
No, I change the screen. See?
The screen.
Back up.
Oh.
Yeah, more. I come pick up a little more. You know. So
Alright.
I just match up that thing.
Yeah, man, 25,000 if you start out here. Alright, cool. Yeah, man.
They always a kill Trump. Who that?
Me.
Come in, girl.
Hold on.
Me they are play game every time they kill me.
Bex me, Bex. Can me they play this man and somebody call me for me, Bex.
You know, say Mudo answer. You see, mad. This is my number one game in answer.
It's so hot. So I'm gone.
Yeah.
You good?
I'm good.
Me there, gone. Easy me say me I can't give a little link and so I deal with.
I'm good, man. Just there, I'm tired of people place all morning and can't move it.
So me can move game.
Game one.
So yeah. You know no money can give me a money.
Me have one money for the just so they say, you know. Me have one 5 grand for me.
5 grand.
Me never say we take a whole of it. You can take 1, 2, 5 out of it.
No, I would like more. I have business to deal with.
Me have $5,000. Me say me I give
You
2,
know
5
you
out.
have
What
man.
kind of friend you be?
Girl, you have man and me not know
I know
man.
what?
You will
You know
get
what?
back money.
You know what? Look in Nigeria, you see some US, take up 200 out of it.
How much you was in there?
Don't worry yourself. 200 me say if you take up, I'll go buy what you want.
200.
How this here call me phone?
So I can check how much in there.
Hold on. Hello? No? Alright. You have to go away now. Me have somebody here for check me.
And?
You have to go away right now.
What make?
Me got somebody here come check me.
So when you check your what
take up your money and go on now.
Oh, so you run me for somebody you can't check you.
I no run me around. You no go ahead. Did I go take your money and go? So take your money and go.
So we can take up 3 of them instead of 2?
Take up 3 of them.
Alright. And the 5,000 too?
But, hey. Me say take up 3 of them and go on.
I mean, like. Later.
Me give you 3 and say me mean. Me don't know what kind of later.
Esther.
Wagwan.
Good.
Bunny down.
You're good.
Yeah, me I go back and go to some word.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Wagwan.
Them.
Remember the last time I come one day, me don't get to the look because I never have nothing. But now,
Well, come gets the word. What the coffee?
Like you're there, you use every little thing, entertain yourself.
Yes.
Anytime we in the lotto, man, I want mansion me a be there. You see? You take care of me in a little nice operation time, yeah.
I come for talk, I come for work.
We come for work and talk same time. I promises I comfort to we. So promise something you give me promise something on the time, right? You get it. Oh, who that text me now? Alright. You can't tell me what place you know, so after we done work, you know, I go back over.
Alright.
We check you later upon them.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, also people suit your man, good as soon check you, you know, so I mean, I lead on you comfortable. Alright?
Later.
Alright.
When I best piece of sex me ever do in my life.
Hello.
Hello. You good?
No, it's me there can you work, bro.
Right.
Yeah, man. So, what go?
You know, send me just to see what they got over your house.
Eh? Where is it? Who?
Fire.
Fire. Then, I'm a cousin that. You sure it's a fire?
Yeah, for your cousin Fire, the Rasta.
How will the back side there tell me? Alright. Where is it? Him over there now?
Yeah, he over there right now.
Alright, now go over there right now.
Alright then, me go over there go listen more. Now bag of things are going in there. Alright.
Sure. Tell that. Sure.
How that?
Me.
Pull the door, man. The door not lock. What I deal with, cuz?
Me there enough, fam.
Yeah, all the time. Well, I suppose I go and fix it, see?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But still, me say I go over Isha yard though.
Me go over Keisha yard.
Yeah.
What me do over there?
So somebody tell me say they say I go over there.
Yeah, man, I go over there now and then, man, go deal with some things here. Because I always have some good things to show. You know, some funny type of work. Mr. Fix it. But, and now my son cause, how?
Like what you fix?
Well, look at thing in your yard where I want to fix.
Like fan and something there.
No, I'm not fix fan and anything. I don't have time for that yet. Fan people can fix fan. You can buy fan if you want to fix fan. It's never fan when you have a.
So, because you say yeah, Mr. Fix it.
Yeah, we fix some things here. But remember say, alright, differently from that. She have a man, you know. She don't have a man. Because
Me a man.
she have a real man. You are a man too. But she have a man differently. She not tell her that.
No, sir.
Oh, family, the girl have him man. You go over there all a while, go fix things. Him man did it some of my time. When me go this my time, man, just a left.
I gotta say, cause she let me know about that.
Yeah, man. Oh. So, So what I go and do, you see who I tell you? You see who I tell you? Tell the story good. Right?
No say a word then, cuz.
Yeah, man, me there I go and fix up them thing here.
Ah.
Always I fix something.
Yeah, man.
Sure, this man clean cleanse them. Jesus Christ. God, what have work to do today? You know,
Yes.
some feel like he tidy up now, baby.
You there, man?
Later, me tidy you.
You man talk to you there?
Yeah, me there.
Oh.
First, me there.
That,
I bet me did a tidy, but me can't bother. Later, me tidy it
now
up.
come on, me a good news, woman. That.
Later, me finish tidy it up, yeah, man. So what,
But there, mama. You have a piece of thing to shoot your bingo, you know?
A lie.
What? Chop it with my bucky good, man. Say,
How much money, sir? Come back.
Yeah, uncle.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah. You know, go next time shopping, go look at nails and thing. You see me?
And what if I money this, you know? Me can't believe.
So our next 1400, hide this one and put it on our place.
I'm gonna hide it right now.
Yeah.
Some pocket.
Yeah, good though.
Yeah, me good. I place me say me a tidy up and me feel weak. I'm gonna eat for a man.
Alright then, I go
Me
up
just
on
left you.
I go up on the office now, you know, come on there.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Money! Woo! Mm-hmm. Yeah, better check your rent. 30, 14,
Keisha,
16. I want to make friend of me so far.
what kind of thing me here going with? Yeah, but I mean, no know. Me think I'm my only man.
You never know, say me have my personal man, but well, yes, I have my personal man. You're just a my side man.
Hey, look at you're licking your face.
Lick who?
No.
No. Lick who, me?
By the way, where you get so much money from?
My man can money can't give me excuse. You don't bright yourself. Lick who? You're mad? Come out of me, please. Come out!
Just go and play me here. Go
Me
and
say
play
come
me.
out
Go
of me,
and
please,
play
and
me.
don't up in your mouth, pa, me little boy. Move on yourself.
Go and play me.
So, I want to the batty boy, man.
You say, I might time now.
Right, you know, say. I know, I'm not get to put in the screen, you know.
Who that's him? You say, go on.
Me no get to put in the screen, me just about cool and over.
Just I go pull it for them, can't phone pay for a man in brother.
Me have so many bad things I deal with.
Brother, if you have all the things, sir, you need that before you come out, brother. I want the phone, I'm tell you, fix the phone, yeah, come back the phone, leave on the such time, and I'll my phone down, fix.
No, take no time, man. I just pull off a whole screen and put in a glue down back and wait till it dry.
Yeah, I'm out to give me, I can't somewhere else, give me. But, it look like a chat, but, fire juice. You do me?
No, sir.
Ah,
Respect, man.
yeah. The food charge.
Girl, away there so long I take to get through that alone there. Every minute I tell me say your food come.
Oh, man, a long time I don't say again.
Yeah, man, you can look for you another day.
Alright.
Alright. Every minute I tell me say your soup come and now you can't reach. Girl, hurry up, because I tell you to stand up around yourself.
You make a miserable show.
It looks so.
Like you do one that. Money though.
You know, I was trying to hello. We are get hi to my man for. So we can't say hi, me know him. Hello, me not like the hi that was she just get a while ago. Like it just look too personal. Me
No,
not like
no,
that.
no. I'm a friend, you know, I'm from school days. No, sir, no, here. Not like that, man. Not like that. You see, when you're a friend, you can't really diss them a road, you know, because I see, one night I run out of money from the road, and I should borrow money from so me know I'm from school days, no, nothing.
And she high fire.
Also she go on from school days. They call her Hattie. Also she go on school days.
Well, she trying to hatty with you.
No, I'm not happy with me, man. I'm not happy.
I'm sure the girl don't know me no man. Hey, me chat me dance with you. Alright. How are you? No one girl round there so chat. Me see man him a pass, you know. And I barely say hi to me know him man. How we all laughing?
You don't know the man. The man, me see a country to over here the other day.
That don't mean no reason to
to
laugh.
beat you. We mean
Me
by
too.
you fi top take people, man.
You lucky to have best part of me happy right now. Yes, I'm a dirty dog.
So Lande,
Oh.
you go cuss a girl over a girl old man. You should have seen my man and pass him man like you don't know him, man. You have to go and boy your high fire. You could pass him, even though you take the girl, man. You should have just pass him. You love people, man, too much, man.
See the Rasta man there pass and me no say hi to him. After he treat me so good, you mad all in the bedroom him do it good. Girl, have to say hi to him, you mad? Have to say hi to him. That come and laugh like she had there.
No, man. Father God, you see me there in chat. A girl go beat you. So
Beat
what about the loan? No, father. What about the loan?
Me need some paper and 2 passport size picture. So then me have to go look more before me go back in there.
So I get it today or when? When
Me
I
don't
get
know
it?
when. Soon as me look about the papers, then me can go in here go look them.
So come go here, go here do then.
Alright then.
And you have to top take people, man.
They love people who hold the cool and the top too.
Same thing me I tell you, you know. A same thing me I try to tell you, say, me no love this a country, you know. Where I must get so much things requirement. I don't work for anybody in the country. Right? So, where me go get that from? Me I work for honest bread. Me I not tea. And them at them say me need that requirement there. So my money no real load when me get from hello. The same people. You know, I say at least me go for this woman in there. I try not to know.
much time, man. You know.
Listen, right now, easy if me get a gun than get a loan in my country. What did I say to you? It has said me must get a gun then. Because I want a loan for better my life. And make you look at you brown, you know. So I take you up on the things I promise you. And now I can't give the things I promise you. Me see every one of the rest of people them want to badness achieve things, but them are dead. So me say me now go over that side and me stay up on the good side. And me up on the good side and I try to turn up on the wrong side. That's why me tell you, I got to leave this country. Baby, no worry if me get the visa, me nah run off, but me I go work and come back. Me go try go embassy, go try get a working visa, so me go work. But me no want no link like the link where Papa I get the last time. Cause the link where Papa I get the last time and now, bro, I get back your money yet. But anyway, and everything good with food for talk.
And that one tell her.
But what you gonna do for yourself no more?
Well,
You know, see a man a suffer.
I told me to suffer together.
Mama, you know, say if you go up on the bridge without money and all, come on.
I really not just
No, me just say to you, but no really be it though. Because I don't no warning, then deal with, you know, we come in batter and bruise. You not go up. So you not go up. I just say to you though, you're not going up there. Let's go.
Yeah, and really.
No, when I say go up on the bridge, I don't mean say you go sell your private
What
something.
me on sell?
You go sell bag juice, kiss cup, condom, liquor, and then say if the man will come buy something, if they want temper up themselves, then get something from you to eat and drink before then go up on the mission. Nobody will sell nothing, you know. Talk the truth. Every time you go up on the bridge flat. No condom now. So try condom was look there, safe sex, sell the condom, sell it there. Up there. Then you can sell pillow up there. You know, says the old mattress them up for your grandmother, or you could have take two of them up there. You could have fence around up there night time. We just can't chop on and fence around. So when a man come on, a man want good relaxation, half hour, you see the rent then. We could have do tenant up there. Think about it. Good for good and bad for bad.
You go there, go do it.
Well, I will come up there the true interest in nobody taking money from you when so a man they will pay for the room and when then done grind night then come back the back month. So me there go and cut that. Nothing wrong with that. I will be up there as your security with my cutlass. So when a boy rent the room and go in there go do what he want to do, him can't come back and take the rent money from you. That means you can't really sell nothing the way enough to sell. You only sell with things where you buy if you sell, nothing where you have buying yourself. Let's go.
Alright, come carry rain set up.
Yeah, and trouble is up like a rain. But if the rain ever fall to the like I'm stressed, I go breathe you. You come. Agony.
So yeah, be suffer. Well,
Hi, sweetie. I was so urgent you will want to see me. I want.
girl, I have something to love. You're not gonna like it about your man.
What?
Yeah.
What about the man?
Remember the girl when you see the day away, pass you and bow, say hi to your man. You're not need to check.
Oh, over. Okay.
Yeah, so we alone, and whatever.
What
The
about
girl
them?
that take your man.
My man.
Yeah.
Me not believe you.
Girl, look for me, I'm a friend. My friend, I'm not like a share road, that's what I feel of. And because I see her, I tell her, if you leave people, I don't know, she can talk about people, man, this. And if you did this, your man would run, come to her for that and whatever. You understand? So that's what I tell you. Me turn up out on the roadside the other day, so under one palm tree, and me see your man a screech, you go over there. And when I say, Rasta, I go and hear me, I got to do some work over here, son. And you say, buy me go at the window. You would even want to hear me here. Ask girl man named Sharpman. Ask Sharpman. Because Sharpman is there and tell Sharpman. Sharpman. Ask him. Just go ask your man named Sharpman. I will be able to ask him.
Believe. But guess what? Me I go investigate this. Me not gonna say a lie or tell, and me not gonna swear for no man cause the man are wicked. But me not believe some my man that do me this.
Girl, me say go and go ask
The
Sharpman.
man tell me say him and the girl are friend from school days and that he tell me no say friend. I mean say me just suspect sitting when you share. High fire like.
Let me tell you something. That girl after you no go no school, the day that girl moving I come in. You ever see that girl that walk past now when I come with it? I mean, I have a friend for a long time, no, me I tell her, if I give up bun with the girl I talk to, you don't know if I me I tell her.
Me no suspect say I give me bun and in that show no. You know man in that show say them a give bun so. Me just lost and confused. Me don't know, but it's alright, thanks.
Let's see how just give me back your number. So when you see my speech, you go over there, me shall call and you see to yourself. And I know every high, you know, me antenna, they real high, me I don't know everything. Alright, I don't know. I shall call you.
Just time. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, she died. She died in a way like the driver of the car, you know, she tell him that slow down. I need to slow down. And they come out of the car and they go back into the car. That's the problem. You know, they should have never go back to my car. You know what I mean? That's the one I think in my life though. Yeah. Speed kill. So that's why when I look on the thing that they charge for without seatbelt, I'm not see the realness in that rule and law there. But speeding should be definitely ticketed if you know cause speed kill. Yeah man. Alright, auntie. When auntie I talk to she talk to me about somebody who died in speeding, you know? So I tell the system, you know? So I wanna know, you look so. Like you want to do something. Every time I look for you, I want to tell you now. I'm hungry now.
I'm coming here to tell you. But I feel phone them
I'm an
names,
auntie.
I come in here to tell us something go cook. You know, look for something nice. Your favorite.
Ah, this time now, come hungry, please. Thank you. What you think that's carrying?
No, I come go there to see what out there.
Alright, do that then.
Alright.
We'll go and relax. And then we go all a bed. By the time you don't cook, soon don't cook more a bed. I want to wait for you. No, more bed for you.
You can be or something.
Yeah, man.
And I'm not hard milk when I just veg.
Alright.
Veg and
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm like, eat my food after I done bed. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. Alright, babe. You're a good girl, me take up in her. You know, say I want good girl though. You can wash, cook and clean. If you just my clothes and wash out good, but give thanks.
Hello.
Hello. What on?
My man just left. You can't come over.
My girl, they gotta cook some food for me. I know me don't know that go work though, you know.
Just chicken, no man will come.
Alright, so you want something like a quickie?
Yes.
Alright, we'll go do it. So I'm tell her say somebody call me and I have to come make a move. Don't worry, say man, I forward.
Alright, me wait for you.
Yeah, me not go tire too long, you know. I go in and out.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
Alright. Babe!
Yeah.
You know, say, my auntie just called me a while ago. So, go and cook where I cook. But no put it, no cook, no put the vegetable. Cook the food part of it. Come and like the vegetable and the corn. The soon come.
Where auntie call it for?
No man, you don't know. I say what about the loan? What they try to get for how long, what months ago? We talk to her one day and she said she have a string. She can pull a string from some. Go hear what she have to say. Because the auntie that general, you know, he go and tell me, say, but more you must say first. Before me say this and say that. You understand? He go and tell me say number 9. He go and 4 tight and whatever. You know film style. For a film link. You understand?
Oh, so you're not going to be there or nothing?
More go and come back. When I come and bed.
Alright.
I'm in bed over my auntie. No, I come and bed. No. Because your bathroom bigger than mine. So I know say bed over there. You want bed over there?
You don't need to be over your auntie.
Alright then, alright. I'm sure come.
What just say? You give some money, what you do with the money? I'm not sure you do the money.
Me buy things, me buy clothes.
Where clothes you buy?
What about that? But no
Mama.
sustain.
Make sure say they tight up something you know, squeeze up the baby in the car. I don't want the baby head come shape like fear, you know. I want a little nice, little round.
So what you tell me say? My head shape bad?
Mama, your head shape bad.
My head no shape bad, my head no big.
Anyways, when you chop the next line, you give you a next piece of food. I'm going to buy you some baby mother clothes. You see me? So 90. And then you have to yourself.
You know, if you tell me say you're going to buy them, you have to buy them because I go turn a baby mother.
So me, I go buy them, not you. So me, different from you. You understand? Now I get money, I go spending and go lavish.
Anything you say, I have no problem with that. I don't have any problem with
No,
that.
I have to squeeze up your pin head in the.
Me not squeeze up no baby.
No, I'm pin head comes up. I'm feeling fear. Right.
You know say you go on the river?
Yeah.
So go on where you fan.
Ah,
Me no run you. But I you say you go on the river
Yeah,
doing something.
Come on.
Yeah, later.
Remember, change that you have on. Don't like it. Mama, come here. Come here. Yawa na yard.
Remember.
You mean yawa na yard? What purpose
No, you're
of saying
woman.
that? So you're not supposed to do housework. Mama, every day me I want to go to the same job. For last part of the text back to me.
I was going to clean it up, but because I don't remember.
The one nobody wants to do a free record, they want to clean up it.
You put on my slippers.
Listen, I want to come back and the
After you
place
deal with
look
me,
so.
before me get pregnant, you deal with me nice and good. I know me pregnant, you want it. Alright.
Mama.
One.
Nature, I don't care. Mama, clean them up. Last month, last week.
Oh. Hello. The man just gonna can't come over. Yeah. Alright. Alright. I'm sorry for canceling it.
Look at rich an idea, yeah. I bet so much to do. Lover man.
What?
Fagwan. Yeah, you couple do you do.
Yeah, good while me not here.
Mm-hmm. So me kinda live here so I don't
Storm.
you know what say? You know what we come over here for already. You don't have to bother ask me want me, you know what. If you want me keep me let you walk further, you know me at that.
Where you come over?
Girl, no, that make me spell you out. Yeah, move.
Come, we go in our house. Let me come back perfectly. One. Wait. You have come in my house with the dirty slippers.
Girl,
You see the place me tidy up?
your floor not clean enough for my foot bottom. You understand?
Look at your foot bottom.
Your
now,
floor
in the
not clean
slippers.
enough for my foot bottom.
Look on your foot bottom. Come on, no. Girl, I can't turn that too long either.
Oh, mate.
You see, Rasta man come over here the day, ma come. So you can take anything and go on. You can't
Anything.
turn around anything.
Where you stay? We have over here.
Then in a job, take anything. Every day you come over here on
You
money.
know see them? Who's on that job? That one and that.
Oh, shit. Oh. They say got some money put them up there, so. Hold on, no?
Just to take anything me want, so I'm supposed to.
Hold on, man. Me and give you a good
Keisha.
amount of money.
Keisha.
Check it. That not good for you, bro?
I'm 1,400 of this. Keisha, this can be. This can be, Keisha. You know? Keisha, me more, we drop a gram, Keisha, this can do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more me at you.
I 2,000 of this.
Look at no man.
Just,
No, you
man
remember
a
say me a breed, so
I know me breeder.
go easy for me
You
now.
know who breeder?
Of course, me know who breed me. Go on where you go, man. Sure.
Thanks. So me can get the concealer here too.
Go along with it, because I'm not too weird.
And this soap too?
Hey,
Alright, look up.
tell about friend. All they want for your money and this and that. You're no good friend.
Right over there should be coming out of the
You don't know me have to tell. I tell my woman like he still left on my case. I said, where you got do? Why your auntie want you over there to do?
Come before he fix me.
You look like him now service so good. Eh?
Yeah, best man me ever book up for him.
Alright. Job call, you know. Job call. You have to do. You promise me a piece of money. Well, money come through?
No, by tomorrow we get it.
Right, so. Go, you know what I'm do?
Oh,
The last time I come with left on condom and come in. Alright.
Girl. Yeah. Your man over here right now. Yes, bro, just believe me now in the right over there in our yard. I'm going to house for a while. Alright, hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Let me the right out from the road. Hurry up and come. Aye.
Hope that survey here.
Mm-hmm.
And one thing I like with that yard, you know. One way in and one way out. I don't like it.
They will put on one next room. Who that? Keisha. Well, on them, you put on some clothes. Me just be there come in. Well, on. Up the door. Well, on, me say. I come. Keisha. Me say, hey. Girl, up the window. Up the door. Me say, me I come. What's up? Hello. Yeah, police are not on me doors. What you do over me yard? My man, me come for fire. If you think you're bad, go push me and go in there. Your man not in there. Go look for your man, he not in there. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Say load up on me for hour. Empty barrel make you most nice, girl. My man me come for. Your man not in there. Me know my man he not in there. So the day you pass me and blow high fire, you're my man in a dealings. Me man in a no dealings. You hear? Me your man in a no dealings. You have proof? Do you have proof? Girl, that information me get from the man there. Okay. Find your man then. Fire! Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. One day yard. Alright, no worry yourself. Excuse me. Don't worry yourself. You? Don't worry yourself. That's one phone top of ears.
Like them 17 now. How she know over there? You know how she find out the part you live on a come calm name. Somebody watch me enough. Oh, watch her yard. You know what's your friend? Cause she taxes for her money what here? The fat friend.
The true could
she
be.
She asked
Yes.
listen, no? She asked for your money what day. I'm telling her, no, I'm not getting no money.
Then you see.
No, and you know, so I left her money run a yard. I give mother a piece of money. I she again? Yes.
Yeah, come! Oh, what?
Take some from me, boy.
Me did that, me almost jump asleep and can't wake me up.
Oh, yeah,
Me hungry. The baby want chicken and chips.
Oh, yeah, friends, say call me.
Me not call you. Me just there try to jump asleep and then you can't wake me up so me hungry now.
Your friend tell me say you call me, that's something you know?
No, me not call you. Me want chicken and chips right now.
You
Baby feel for you. So you can't go buy for me and know me not go on the road so.
Oh, no, boss.
Hurry up no go on.
Alright.
Buy one orange juice to me. Yeah.
How about you? Yeah. No, wait, no. Wait. Oh, man. This I get sticky. This here get sticky. Right now, I shall just give you a piece of one more course. But really, truly, of a baby it is. Of my baby, or my cousin baby, or that the man they pick me. You don't know. Anyway,
It could be yours.
we'll go do a raffle. It's only day I want to idea them. You want to put it in the and spin around so. And anybody named land pan, take it. But I rather land pan the one you have to spend the money though, because I'm a chopper. So, you know
Come up and go on before
yeah. Right now,
right, they say he food shop there.
oh, I like, yo. Put on so close right now.
You go over there, where you go tell the woman say?
Listen to me. Me run things, man. Things don't run me. Anything we do, it have to do properly.
Come on the time for dance and sing. Go on.
So later. I love you. Love you. Love you.
Non top sexy. So make them go and chat. May I come?
Yes. I know I'm still gonna get an iron juice. Get an experience rate. I mean, I don't know you like your thing. You like
You know me thirsty too.
don't know you
Give me
like.
phone,
You know,
hungry.
me just, you know, me buy you like how you like it. 12 fries. And
Yes,
just
it's
one
fine.
leg or thing. Look on it. See you like it.
Yeah, alright. Me like it like this.
You like it like that.
You can fast pepper up less again, please.
You like it.
We don't feel so much pepper still.
Wait, no. No matter baby. Not to the assist that me. No, so. Then I hear some me go kill me.
So,
No.
Alright. Babe, you don't cook. Oh, me tell you about to cook the food, right? The food done cook though, differently. Put on the vegetable there now. Boy, tired. What do you find if you find nice bean?
where you come from? Where you come from?
Over auntie man there.
Over auntie, really.
Over auntie, I did it something. Yeah, yo, auntie, you see auntie? Auntie, me no know auntie Tanso. Me no, yo, you see family? Them
No.
say,
And
if you
what
go
your
dead
auntie
and
say?
family involved in it, man.
What auntie say?
Oh, auntie say, the link when you have is the link. Lend me the money, she have get half it. Me say, auntie, I don't want to tell you about your clot, you know. And I saw come me and him did go for wrestling, you know, but she was my favorite auntie, me see my cousin come along because when did they, and me and him did a whole a reason, a whole a vibes, and then after that, me help them deal with some things. Help them move some, so you see me I sweat look a bit. So I sweat, me there move up some things around the place, you know.
So why, let me ask you something now. Why your shirt the wrong side?
Oh, me there try run dopey cup anti-yard full of dopey. You know what I'm saying? So me not like dopey, they say the way shirt back and front, no dopey afraid of you. That means if you dopey, they when you see me down, dopey can't follow me come back. Remember saying I like dopey, you know? We have a dopey movie and me see you turn off the TV, you know like dopey. So you say this year, no dopey can't come out. When you see me wear shirt, so. Because I'm going that anti-yard full of dopey.
One more question I have to ask you. Who named Keisha?
Now you try to get me on the wrong side now. Which Keisha you talk about? I know plenty Keisha. I know Keisha from up the road. I know Keisha from round so. I know little Keisha. I know big Keisha. I know slim Keisha. I know fat Keisha. I know tall Keisha. I know mega size Keisha. But which one of them you talk? I know brown Keisha. I know black Keisha. I know copper color Keisha. I know Dondus Keisha. There's a common name. No for my friend them. I know them. I don't know. It's like when they give a Glen Rye. After they give a Keisha name. So there's lots of Keisha. Some of the Keisha then they call them Trisha. And call them Patricia, Patisha, Betisha.
So you know there with no woman named Keisha. You know got no woman in yard today. One named Keisha. One fat girl.
My auntie don't name Keisha. Me no go pa Keisha. Me over my auntie. You think I like me I tell? My cousin named Sharpman. Then tell Sharpman. Ask Sharpman. Ask Sharpman who pa me there.
Your son.
Ask auntie who pa me when there. You see,
give me an auntie number.
Listen to me.
Give me an
5. 5 is my auntie number. I don't know mine by time like a spot. Number 5. My number 35. But Miss Auntie, why do you like 5? Why you like number 5? 5 a thief. Me like 35 because 35 a vagina, they said. So me like that one there. If me a buy cash back.
Listen. No. Big and serious. Listen. A girl that will pass the day when we do the loan.
Yeah.
The Keisha she name.
Yeah, a Keisha that's a fat Keisha. Me tell you something not like Keisha them now. A fat Keisha that.
You're not
You kind of fat, that's all.
You're not yard today.
No. Oh my God, Keisha yard. No, Keisha live with that man. Me a madman. Oh my go over there. Keisha man carry pie. Bad man. Me go back Keisha man. Yo, look like you know Keisha live with a man. It's a man yard. So me go the man yard. Yo, don't
get information.
I'm friend.
So you go over here.
Who get information?
Me not have to tell you who. Me not have to tell you who.
Who get information? They want me. They want me to give you information. Somebody give information, I want girl, I must a woman.
Imagine
I must a girl with a grudge of your girl. A girl grudge of your relationship. Then see a Rasta man on your roll, they go tip up in a life and they want pop you down. I said, don't think got on. Make them fool you. They are fool up yourself and I tell yourself, say. Alright. Make them fool you. Make them fool you.
I have to get down to the nitty-gritty of this. I'm going to investigate.
What if you get down to your man? Get down to? Get down to me. To me.
Me, they are good.
Get the food.
Me nah bother cook nothing.
All the food,
Me
no,
nah
the
bother
bread.
cook. Me nah cook nothing. Go and make Keisha cook. Go make Keisha cook.
Me tell you, I know a lot of Keisha. I have a cousin named Keisha.
Me nah cook nothing. Me nah bother no.
You know what? I go with a beard now. You better make beard of an auntie. The time hot. The time hot, I'm tired. Me just eat the source of food
Come
and
smell
down there.
Come smell her.
Hello. If you think you're bad, come smell me. You where want to smell me for? My name Smell Isha. You come smell me.
So we are run.
Me a go beard. Me a go beard. Come smell me now.
After you go beer, you want me to come smell you?
Sorry, how you want to smell? After on this, you want to smell? Come smell me now.
Me no want to smell you. Me no bother want to smell you. When you never
I go
beer.
make you smell me. Come smell me. Come smell me. You know say you want to smell. Come smell me.
Where you come on for bed.
No, you say you want to smell. You want to smell, come smell me. Oh.
And why you coming in the dirty and then run?
You know why you
because
smell me when I'm dirty,
No
I smell me clean.
Don't worry
When you
yourself.
smell Auntie do something on there, I smell moldy.
Yeah,
Fresh up.
auntie. Yeah, auntie.
Anyway. Go look about something,
Me
girl.
nah look bounty.
If you know about something, I get up tonight, you know.
Me no want nothing.
You now get it tonight, you know.
Me no want nothing.
Shop lock tonight, is me have got to cook me one food, you know. You think me go cook my food and send myself to work out by you. Me say if you
Son.
stand there, don't touch me later. Do not touch me later. Me say if I have to go in there, go look for me one food, what me say. Do not touch me later. Yeah, me say a while ago. Put in your brain. Do not touch me. Repeat after me if you don't cook the food tonight. Do not touch me later. Alright, don't talk.
So girl, yesterday I tip you off and Thursday boy the right girl right now. You know catch a boy?
Alea, you waste my time, you know. You waste my time, girl. Me go over there. Me left for me I doing a cook, me that cooking a girl. I'm a lock off my pot. Go there at the address where you send me. No fire. My man never in there, me tell us.
You go in our house.
Me push the girl and me look and me look. Me not see you.
You know saying that in there. Tell us something. One wardrobe in our house and me hide in our here. And me go over to somewhere already and our man hurry up and come somebody have to jump in our wardrobe. Who for tell us if I live in our wardrobe?
No, Sam. But guess what? You see, night, me sit down and wait for him. Me sit down on the bed and wait for him one time. I asked him about it. And he said, auntie, go. I'm going to believe him.
You know, say, fool me full of truth because they take too long for me to turn up and wait. Because anybody turn up there and wait, you would have seen a man. Because me would have worked here and make
You're
a poor
sure,
boy in there.
You're sure.
Girl.
See that email, see?
Girl, me know your man.
Listen to me.
Me know fire.
Listen to
Locked
me.
head, peel out your so, me know your man.
Girl, my man say him did the auntie or the something for her. I'm a believe. I guess something I believe so. Me linky in cousin this morning. And in cousin tell me. And cousin tell me say, you did the auntie for children.
No, yeah, idiot.
Idiot to go.
I want big idiot. Which one I cousin you link?
What do you name again? I still remember for sharp, but I don't remember her name. One sharp boy.
And he have a hit back up here and so.
Yeah.
More grown and so.
Yeah.
Then you wanna know say I wanna tell a man that. I wanna Keisha man that.
You too lie, Alia. You too lie.
Fire and Keisha man a cousin. Yes. Fire mess with Keisha and the guy mess with Keisha and Keisha having personal man, so I treat man that. You understand? So when me I tell you say your man I mess with man I know lie me I tell. So you never know say the boy come tackle him about it, ask him about it. Me hear everything you know. Me hear say the shot, me hear say me could come over and say, oh me hear say you're the over Keisha you have.
No sir.
So you know you're all of them or something there. And so
No.
me know.
So you know what I mean?
Now where you say my ears over there in the bush.
You tell us say, yeah,
You never
man,
come
said
up.
I know. I ain't think I
Girl, sometimes when time I there roadside and feel something coming on my front when I bush to do something, and then when time I there in the bush, me I hear a whole heap of something.
But anyway,
So me just sit down and go and
as I
listen.
never say, fire not give me no boy.
Yeah, idiot. Man clown.
Well,
Yeah, mad.
let me be
Man
man.
coffee.
You never be a man for your man yet.
Yeah, idiot. I be a man can't see me.
My man innocent to the improvement jealousy.
Let me ask you a question. You tell us say, in the over auntie, right? You can hear say that quote. You can go say, Your Honor, well, me hear say, the man did shoot him in the neck or the man did shoot him in the neck. Can
Me
you do
can't
that?
hear say that quote say, alright, Your Honor,
Girl.
Aliyah tell me say,
Girl,
the
me ask you
man
a
go over
question. Me ask you a
there.
question. Me call you and tell you if you can't catch him, no.
I'm
Just
gonna
see them
catch you.
down, just see them out like a slug. Before you take up your 2 foot in your hand and run
I
off.
cook, me don't cook, girl. Me don't cook.
Anyway, they run you that catch me.
So
But
me
you
fi run
quickly
like
gone.
this?
True.
Feel lucky. Anyways, I feel tired right now, you know, so.
Nobody run me for your yard. Come if you love run me for your yard. Me a go home.
You know, people here too
You're
much and I
lucky.
think go and run.
If you didn't want to hear me, I have to tell you say you know no fair. As you come my door, you that push me out. You lucky. You love mix up too. And you know.
Alright,
That
my
one
friend. Ovan, why? I don't look for you from yesterday if you ask you one question, you know. And I don't know. But me glad me see you now still. What me want to ask you, your cousins, right? Ain't it over your auntie yesterday?
No.
What you mean by no? You know which cousin me talk about? A fire me talk, you know.
I could joke man. Yes.
Ain't a ramp
I
with
joke
me, you know.
man. I joke man. You can't run a joke.
Yo, me not run joke about certain things, brother, cause serious thing right now, cause me dey suspect all kind of things and you can't tell me no, then yes. Brother, not play with no man.
I joke man.
Ain't it over there yesterday, over your auntie? Where over? When go over there go do?
You know.
You don't know, but ain't it over there?
No, after me now watching.
Alright. Long see confirmation.
Alright.
Let me
Yeah.
ask a question.
How was
first.
my day today?
I had got no whole day.
Yeah. I tired bad.
You tired?
Today was a long day though.
Where you going one day today? I don't understand you know, from morning, from about 7 o'clock this morning, you're gone, you know?
Alright. Me go make you know what going on.
I go to the place to get a loan, right? Because I check about the loan for when. So the place name Sure Finance. So I check them. After I check Sure Finance, everything good, but them I tell me so then the thing go approved so I get the loan, right? But through me I do it against a vehicle. The vehicle have to have insurance. But the vehicle me I do it is at the vehicle park up and I use, right? So I never check the insurance so much. When I go to check the insurance, then say I owe 11,800 pounds. Right? So the company said, well, let me the money so they will pay the insurance. But the company have the insurance have to write one letter to say me owe this, that, and then they will send back a letter to them so them go to undertake the loan. The payment for that. Then I take the money out of the money they go let me and send to them. So I have to talk to them again and they would just do it. You understand? The lady start be difficult. Oh, he can't do it that way. They can't do this, he can't do that. But I owe him. So in order to get the cover note, I have to go give her the 11,800. So we will pay 6 months, huh? 1 year. Because I'm pay 6 months out of it already. So the next level that cover for the next 6. Right? So now we can't go further because without the cover note, I cannot get the loan. Because they need to put a lien on the vehicle. You understand?
Okay.
So what I have to do now, I have to tell them so then cancel them. Because I not own nothing. I pay for the 6 months already. Cancel the insurance on the vehicle. You understand? You understand what I mean?
I understand.
So now we have to move on. That's the place now. They go on next insurance now. So that BCCCC, whatever. And then when we go to the next location now, only if you know so when they done sign up to a new company, it's the same BCCC. I'm saying I this a company sign up to again. I'm just go over this go. So you don't understand, so I end up a run from the same place and come back with going different broker and end up back with the same company. But it takes so long to do, me couldn't bother say, yo, cut off it. Me just make it run through. So by the time now, we go back to the place and they say, where is the title? Where the title is? The title down here. I mean, that's what I say. I want it to be sure to say in a life, it comes with a lot of challenges. So when I want to say I want to achieve anything in life, I want to know what say. The things that I want to go through, you will never know until you know. So that was my day though. It wasn't an easy one.
Anyways, enough of that. I not even, actually even know. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm going to ask you one question, right? If it's a case where I find out or catch up on the action and cheat, what must do to you? Or what
Why
must
you
you do?
cheating? Why you cheating every day? Just cheating this, cheating in, cheating out. Why cheating?
Listen, to them in there, right?
Yeah.
And one little birdie pinch me. And I make me know say, you got one girl yard.
You see the birdie that pinch you, now can pinch her again. Because if you pinch her, you might get infection. Because them birdie that pitch my everything and touch everything.
You don't say you're not take that serious? Nothing you don't take serious.
So I don't know, I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't got nobody yard. You know, so I fix some things now and then to people. So if them people just swear say they're there, I say Sango.
I had Jim Screech again and people was that
No, me no Jim Screech. Yo, me know where I talk now. Me go fix somebody, but through the floor, they know the floor dirty up. But I have to step in the house a certain way. On the 2 points to go in. You understand? Because my shoes big. You go dirty up the whole house. So I say, some look market, they can wipe out them, but me no want. You understand? That's the house. So that mix you up, man. Mix you up, man. Don't worry about that though. What we are doing tonight?
No, we just not trust you. But me don't get benefit I don't.
You trust yourself?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
French sister don't trust me with that, man. If you trust some, because if you don't trust yourself, you can't trust me. Anyway, and I look at me, I look on a computer, and then you can't fix a business if you want your business fixed, because I'm Mr. Fix It.
I don't want no business fix.
Because the computer
I'm
nobody
not
work.
here right now.
The computer nobody work, you know, look at the fix. So if anything the fire now work, I can make you work. I can say this over me. I'm in all of.
No, son.
Know yourself, man. No matter how much girl around me long, you know.
Oh,
Are you myself, so know yourself.
I'm gonna say, you try to make sure. I'm gonna hanky panky give you with you, you know.
B, what about?
Mm-mm.
Good.
Mm-hmm, boy. That's what we tell her. You know, so I'm pregnant now, and I feel.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So you know what you have to go now? You have to go save up some money so they can get to buy baby clothes and I need some money to buy food.
Know yourself, man. Me take care of that.
Sure.
Of course.
So that be the call for. You have no money for you?
No.
I want juice to eat with the bowl now.
Now go down the road, go buy and come back.
You don't you just say I have no money for you.
No,
What
me
kind of
not.
style that?
Me go pick up the money and go buy.
Me nobody want to meet you for 1 a.m. We talk to you tomorrow.
Alright.
Call no one at you know. Vice mail. Hello. How are you doing? The woman beside of you? Oh. When me call if you tell us no, me pregnant and I feel pick me. What you mean by you need me every day? Yes. Me hear you. So you say you're calling me? Alright, when I finish you come. Alright. Hello?
Hello?
You know so me have something to tell you though.
What that?
You have to tell you over my phone, me can't tell you when I come here.
Alright, me a forward.
Come in.
What's up, man?
No. You know so me pregnant now. I'm pregnant. Yes. And I feel pick me.
Oh, no good news back then, man.
Me like how you happy.
I told daddy.
Mm-hmm. Say no, how you go now?
Wow.
More money.
So you need to get money from
Me know but you understand me at all.
Yeah, yeah. My youth have wear name brand still Gucci this, Gucci that.
I mean now wear it on.
Listen, you're not baby. My youth have to wear the best set of things. You know me,
I don't me call if you
my name is Versace.
know.
Anyways, I said that I can't run for myself anything more.
Alright, later.
Right. I'm shopping people now.
You ever see me asleep with no other man?
Oh boy. Today was a hard day, you know. I just thought of you really bring me through the day, everything go through smooth, you know.
Come here, no one answer though. You love me?
How you mean? If me not love you, you don't there, man. You know much girl one day and I tabernacle? And I because you have to know, I hate the neighbor them. I hate the neighbor them. I can't chat. What am I tell us about me now?
No neighbor don't tell me nothing. I just ask you one question if you love me.
Yes,
Can you
man.
hardly tell me say you love me, you know?
Yeah, you see chatting, when I told you chatting. Cause chatting don't mean much. You ever tell me say love me yet?
I tell you something I don't have enough time.
Yeah, but I chatting still. We don't like chatting. Just proving
I'm
action.
gonna show you action too.
Anyway. Want some more red shirt them, you know. Cause you know say red shirt of mine. You know, want some more. So when we give you money weekend for shopping, pick up some more red shirt, yeah? By next month I start buy some orange kerchief for me to have some orange shirt, yeah?
What you want orange to do? Orange to
Don't worry about it, man. Orange a vitamin C. So good for you, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, that go work.
Oh, yes. May I look on the road?
Anyway, where you gonna go though? May I go? Come on, may I go? Come in now, see the parade itself and oh, come on. Yeah.
Who that? No, girl. We are doing me at the time of night. After 7 at night.
So me just over this and so me come check here. I'm on over here this so just me walk on so we are doing the good.
Good girl. There.
So I pray.
Woman alone.
Oh, I'm just go for Axophene. I don't want this
You
in
said
there.
gone for the road. I don't know when gone for the road gone do.
You know what you gotta do though.
Every man gone.
And I met up now. Anyway, I something come to tell us still, you know. Girl, you don't know, say.
More use the bathroom. Just stick up in there, no.
And me come to give you a mix up and you talk what you want to make bathroom. I go to shit, you go shit.
Cause you know shit.
Hello. Yeah, me there, man. What gone? You're good. And if you tell us you're over 10 yard me there. Yeah, news me have to mix up my phone tell him about Keisha. Then you don't know say Keisha breed for 3 different man, included the Rasta man Tia man. Yes. Yeah, well like you know say the Rasta man up. Alright. You see, we look at something when me tell you look a while. Not tell nobody, you know, because it's a secret. I don't know, so I don't know secret anymore because you got to tell everybody what you know. You hear me? So Papa, do me a beg you. Not tell nobody at all. Yeah, that's for me business. Nobody don't need to know my private business. You understand? And through me, I have a friend make me tell her that. Yeah. But yeah, it's a true man. God know me to tell a lie like that to know that. Right now I don't know the doctor office me I come over the yard, yeah, over fear yard. Yeah, the doctor office. Alright. Me call her tomorrow. But not tell nobody, remember what me say. Alright. Yes, I know. Fine, me just talk to because I get a cut of teeth on my finger. So I go by the doctor office to go dressing, you know?
Oh, so that you tell nobody business?
You don't know how them love chat. But when me tell us no girl, when mommy slept on the road. You don't know say me still go over here go catch a woman with woman over there in her bed. Yes! I know, because I know me I come from the while. And I hear big commotion on the roads. I say, everyone go tell Tia this year. I say, Miss Bevo done their beat out in cloths. Be a lick.
No, don't drink drinks all my business.
Probably that's why my finger get cut from what would on a doctor to say I come up and see them do something.
You ever know people business?
So,
You have Angela?
yes. I know it before it happened. I understand.
But sorry, feel her, but why?
Oh, man, a long time man, the man that is still there.
Money like you don't say my man give me bone, God no. But me don't feel say man give me bone though. A good man. Good man. Yes. So why go on differently?
No, but you not put no food over here.
The food done. The food done for sure if any come lick your food too short. If any come lick a bit earlier you get food.
Well,
So anyways after 7 now.
you know, if you run me now, I go over, you know. Because I want to rest my finger because I'm tired. You understand?
Come when you check people, you check people in a day, you don't check people in a night.
I'll say you never hear look on news. You never want, you're
People
going
business.
like you're not glad to hear it. If you go on the road, go tell people tomorrow
No
morning.
sir. No sir, I'm not doing something like I don't check people business.
Take time, make sure when you sleep with a man tonight. Yes, you're untreating man.
Alright, so no grudgeful like. Yeah, let me phone out the phone.
Hold this. Yeah. No, because people like that, man. Why is she though? I like that too. Bridge Road. 3 different man name I call upon it. I must joke with them. I thought I get really work this man. No, listen. Me have to give her a check because I don't like them dirty lifestyle. Yeah, me have in yard and say me have to do some cleaning up and this a call and me I get now. I look, you know, I look. Tia man. She is sleeping too. What a dirty dog. We don't know who named Tia must left. No, you know what you do? You know what you are going to do for me right now? Because I don't want no shame come down from the family. You see with the breed part, just put that aside. No business do that. No business if you want to tell Tia, say man, sleep with Tia man, I deal with Tia man, you can do that part. No business. If Tia want to cut him backside, then you cut him backside. But listen, don't mention the pregnant part. Me want to see her for myself and confirm it for myself. Me, I will check some of the rest of family them and find out because me don't like the embarrassment. Me don't like it. No see a record. Time to check up. Yeah, later. Oh, me say you breathe.
Yes, me a breathe.
Me say you breathe the tree, man.
No.
How you walk this up?
How you hear say me a breathe for tree, man?
You know what you hear? How you so walk this?
You love people business.
You bring down the family name.
Me not bring down no family name, I don't know.
I'm glad I only cousin with me to you. I'm glad me never brother to you because you to walk this man. You can't bring for three, man. You couldn't bring for one. Or half.
Me ask you a question, you tell us me a breathe for
Do you
tree,
know
man.
what? No what you heard
Do you
about
have
that?
a proof?
You bring a proof? So, what I try to do? What I try to say me I do? Me not share news, right?
Me not breathe for no tree, man. I want man get independent.
One man? The year never come upon 3 man.
When me not there with no tree, man, I want man me there with. You go in a supermarket.
Look where you are here.
Look
Look on the road.
Oh, wow. You see me catch you now?
Oh.
And I yard there, girl. I could have walked out.
Hey! Back away from my cousin.
You're not going to come in this. That girl they take my man.
What?
And me have to bust up your face,
Oh, do it!
Hey,
Me
come
have
here,
to bust up your face. That me.
How we are dealing with?
You think you're there?
Hey, love me
Remember
alone.
say you
Love me, me not care.
I will boss it.
Who you deal with, girl? Remember say she the one?
She a breed.
Who she breed from?
Let
me go.
I don't know a 3 man she a breed for though. Listen to me. I put your push line.
Me and your cousin just a lead coat me business, so.
Shut your mouth. 3 man she a
don't
breed
like
for.
your style, man. I open me money a breed for and a girl come. No, you money for your man me a breed for.
So what?
So
what?
What you can do about it? Nothing at all. Over there tonight.
Hello.
You can't do nothing. Personally,
You can't do nothing. Nothing you can do.
Bullfrog, stay one side. You hear me I say?
Oi, don't make me and you have to fight just so right now. Don't call me so brighty.
Why the hell you gonna go and deal with this girl, man? And that more I know. I say you careless. I say you careless. Mama, why don't you grip your old tight so your man won't leave you too? Why you won't do that? Why? Who
Exactly.
Shame on yourself. Per road, a fight over what? Eh?
Me not fight over no man.
A fight over what?
Listen what me I say.
Eh?
Grip on nothing.
Your breed? Your breed?
Breeding no old man. And that me want to tell
No!
you.
This a good one. Cause she a breed. She a breed. So she a good one.
So really this. Fire go take up. Breed for 3 man.
You Rasta man? What you mean?
And I
A
gonna
more
breed
Rasta
him
man she
again.
want in her heart.
And I gonna breed him again.
You what?
And
One check over.
You what?
One check over there.
Hey, girl.
One check
Me
over
say.
there.
What me say? What me say?
Bye.
What me say? What me say? You can walk me. You walk me.
Come here, to guy in the face, no?
Yes, sir. You can't fight till you know that. Yes, sir. You breed.
Sir.
I must book here, yeah?
You, come here. You see this is my cousin? You see far from her. You don't touch her because she a breed right now. You see, if you did one in a fair position, you should have go up on your head top and make your rasta come in at you and stay down in there. You should have get up. And that making a breed, you get up too quick. Yeah, you, come here. Come here, sir. Right, that's up. That's when I see her, stay far from her. Do the same thing, yeah? We don't know to fight over man.
This not done yet, here, girl.
You not done
You're
yet.
not done yet.
You don't say you walk this.
You know what me come go me yard?
I don't know. God no, God. I don't know. I don't know. Lord of God.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life to start off with that way there. Things is not always what it seems. So, on the channel, let's see we do 1 and 2 look at posts back. You know, we are going to one transition, you know what I mean? Because it's a rough road. Enough people don't really understand why I take to do what I do, but it's reality of life itself, you know what I mean? So, everything no crisp, everything not alright, you know what I mean? So, it reflects on how fast I can get product done, you know what I mean? So, a lot of things, a lot of different reasons why, you know what I mean? And I can't talk about everything right now. It's not everything good to talk, you know what I mean? But just know say I try my best, you know what I mean, to take it to the next level. Plenty of people don't understand where it's going or where it's going to be. But me know part me I go with it, and I take a look at time, you know what I mean? Because I take what I take and go do what I do. So that from day one, and that's why I stay strong, because I know what's coming and what it's going to be like. So, know say in the future, we're going to have more movie and better movie. So, as I try to carve this thing out, please bear with me as we go along, you know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. We're not talk too long this morning because I have something to deal with, you know what I mean? But I want to pay attention though. And know that I'm fighting to get it up and running, you know what I mean? With the 4 part is supposed to there, but I'm fighting to bring it where it's supposed to there. It not come overnight. Heights of great man will not achieved by sudden flight, you know. But do while everybody slept, I'm up working throughout the night, you know what I mean? So it's a long road, it has come a far way, but still we have a far way to go. You know what I mean? Because and everybody do it, have that belief we party go really, so that will pose a problem. Not everybody know where it's going. So it's a challenge to get everything work or it's supposed to work, because people don't believe until they see it. You know what I mean? So I have to show them. You know what I mean? So you gotta take a time to show them, let them see the bigger picture. So yo, we are what we are. You know what I mean? And we are here to do what we are supposed to do and do your best. You know what I mean? So as we go along, remember, if you're out there and want to be a part of the movements, the number will be right there. You know what I mean? For now, we only are taking female. You know what I mean? We have a lot of males. We have a couple of them pending when we call when the time right. But for now, we mostly want females because we have all the males already. You know what I mean? So glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. Reach out. If you think you are number one in Jamaica, or if you never ever act yet and you think you can be number one, because it's within you, you know. You have to believe. If you don't believe in yourself, now go nowhere. Remember some say that. You may say, burn it down to the ground. Anyway, we have some things to deal with, but big up on yourself. Big up everybody out in the world who are watching and support the thing, because Uno make it possible. You know what I mean? Big up Uno, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Reach out to I and I. Let's talk, let's go.